Now I'd like to talk about two functions that aren't formally related, but they often go together. They're deleting and undoing. The reason I pair them together is because one of the common uses of undoing is when you accidentally delete something. So let's go here. Suppose that I deleted these lines. That was the select and then the delete key. This is a useful technique. You can do, say, Command D and then delete. Select, delete. One of my favorite methods is Option delete, like this. That does one word at a time. But of course, we don't actually want these changes, so let's undo. That's with Command Z. There we go. I can switch over here and undo these. There we go. By the way, on many systems, you can redo, often with Shift Command Z or Command Y. In this case, it's Command Y. In Atom, in Sublime Text, it's Shift Command Z. One thing I like to do when deleting text is to use Control X, that is to say cut, if I'm not 100% sure that I want to delete it. That way I can restore it if I want with paste or Command V.